Imo State is turning another thing. As we dey talk right now, they say that some people wey dey call one chance. These people, if they carry you from inside keke bus so, na so they go carry the person, sell am pass by pass. This na wetin dey happen for Owerri as we dey talk right now. Please, I want the security agencies, any kind of force, all the good people, good unknown government, good UGM, bikonu, abeg, make una help our people. If we will die finish, na we go come dey for the land wey we dey fight for. Identify those people wey dey go sell our people pass for inside Owerri for Imo State. Last time that I make this video, somebody write in a comment section and he say Oga Balabas, this thing is not only in Imo State as we dey talk now for the whole southeastern region. Some people walk, they carry keke bus. Once you enter inside this keke bus, they go carry you. Do you use one charm or one other thing for you, you no go know wetin they do again. The next thing, they'll carry the person go butcher am. Carry things for inside him body, go dey sell, they give people wey dey do rituals. Things are happening. I'm going to play you this video for you to hear as one of our sister wey escape from these people hand take testify wetin dey happen. And even say they carry one woman for there wey be say the woman no go fit talk again. My people, things are happening. Just listen, watch this video and listen from beginning to end.
Ademma ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ekenekwa m unu ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ekenekwa m unu nke onye chili ya zelo biko asị m ka m mee this video because okwu ha kwuru maka ndị organ harvesters ndị na-eshi through one chance abịa ha ka nọkwa na ala Owerri kam na-egosi gị ugbu a just mee 2-3 days ago 2-3 days ago. Aga m achọ ka m play the voice immediately so that ka ịghọta ihe anyị na-ekwu.
Oh, in the morning, I'm going. I'll make nurse. So I got more in the morning. So mba the moto na access bank koji. Mambra the moto. Ha si mba nihu. The driver said nam ga nazo. Nsi acho mega nazo. Saga mano nihu. Yes, nam ga nazo. Nsi a ola acho mega nazo. Nihu kam choreno. And then 2 boys no there. 2 boys who dread, hand on a azu. Then one other woman no bugu on the second seat. So my bazri, my munayana drag, yes, nambana zum jum si at the long nam up walam. Semapo come chira another moto. Mapo es okay sobano namba. So maba azi. Anye move. Ma hai move runa flyover. Ye pick another man. That man aba ani shift to yaba. So mobazi. The driver mema call. Where phone see aholam gari sugar mgeji aholam gari na sugar. Amahe manu geja anwaya na this country. Bako shipo that and then when a voice him gere sigi bala moto si inu driver salagi no hola gari na gari wokia then sugar wa akere. So immediately on you put that in. Masia push him natural me fafu. Ya say lebe mam foga nam de wakaiga we back. I'm saying batch on me fafu say from here. Ya just oga push him. Say I push him at your me for ya jo me muna ya mazo mazie. Mama fe mazie onye ke nom nakoko si ya po nam chorepo. Onye ke nom nakoko ajo. So mna mafuza onye ke nom nakoko na adoba akam. Ya no we ke na adokwa no handbag him. So man etisa metimpu mepere m do ma for man etizi na achi ma ishimu na glass nga ahụ mepere m do ma for achi ma afọ man eti da ndeke no na do na drag kwanum. So ke ndeke no na azu na etizi free am oh boy free am. So ka he mepeze do immediately ma for that bomber we ha kanari and there were some motos who no shichara ya uzo okwo omazi ho ga-eme ye release zie ma mafuze nga mafuziri metiwaze nde one chance opposite that person ntiwaze one chance so ndo show mnetizi ha revised ya gbaba na enwere ihe a na-eji aba n'ụzọ ha bazie that side gbarazie gawa side Chukwuma Nwoha ebe a m na-eti ndị mma na-agbakọzi but enwe onye chụrụla ha gawa and then enwe nọmba their car enwe nọmba all white bus, new white bus. Their car enwe nọmba edere ya SUG all white, but the car is very new. Don't worry. But onwe number na zamanu mo onwere n'ihu because ahụhụ m ka ihu but azụ ya onwe number. So that odu man no longer before me. O make him noise till ma fu anga okwu dịka ọgwụ ha ọkpụrụla ya. Dịka ọgwụ ha ọkpụrụla ya, ọ just nọrọ nga ahụ na-elegharị n'anya. Ma ha mere ya ogbu ma ọ gị na amahụ m. But the glory of God.
Sorry. Ọdịmakwu na-anụla ihe nwanne anyị nwaanyị kọrọ. Ihe mmụta nọ n'ihe awụ mgbe ọbụla ị nọ na moto ekwu okwu shuga na garị akwụ nọrọ ihe okwu na ahụla shuga ahụla garị ma ọ ahụ na ihe a. In fact, ha ekwute okwu anything shuga garị nwanne you are in trouble. Boss the same keke boss aha ikwukwuru okwu ya ka ndị aji ihe edere na zia SUG but anyị amaghụ SUG ndị ọnwụ and ọ should obuhu nọmba n'azụ. You know, now she here. Eba so na I mention you have to be very careful. You have to be very, very careful. They are still here. They are saying, well, that agadi nwa nwere ike ọgwụ atụle ya. And don't nwere ike Chineke zoro this woman. Mgbe na si aba n'azụ, ọ bụrụ na ọ nwara nwa aba n'azụ bakwuru ndị ahụ n'azụ. Those two guys efekpuo ya ọgwụ. Ike agwụzia ya. Ya yozi aka that woman shiri yo. Okay, hole. They are still on the streets of Owerri. Be very, very careful. Eno hana ahona sugar ahona gari ma ahona sugar ahona ake ahona kozo ofo mmiri ha ji anu ya okwa gi gari na sugar ha hụrụ okwa gi ka chọrọ ịṅụ ọsọ gbakwa. They are covering us in the one chance. They are not one chance. They are organ harvesters. They are still in Owerri. Please share this video. Share this video. Our people got this smart. Let us be smarter than them. Let us outsmart them. Ayina hekula ihe niile eji mara ha so that ka na aghọta kpọmkwem their tactics and their methods. Once I matachara their tactics and their methods now, then ha mara na nke ha ụgba ha akwụọla. Everybody should be very vigilant. Thank you.
There is one adage in Igbo that is say that arụ gba afọ ọ bụrụzie omenala. If you know that you are a son of Igbo and you are into this thing that I'm about to mention now, remove your hand. The calamity will fall upon you. Yes. We are a people that created, unique people that created by Chukwu Okike Abiama. Anytime as an Igbo, you start putting your name, your hand in bad things, that day, you are drawing yourself to your early departure. Ask your forefathers. Why before they will do anything, they will call Chukwu Okike Abiama. If I done something to somebody, if I have done this, if I have done this, may this my prayer never be answered. This is how our forefathers do pray. But these days, even the native doctor do not ask somebody to do incantation before before start doing anything. When you go there, 20 naira, 100 naira, amaga gear, then you use it and go and be doing bad thing in Alibo. So I'm going to mention these things. If your hand is inside, you are a true son of Igbo. You know that you are a true son of Igbo. Remove your hand. The calamity is about to fall, and that rain will fall upon you. You remember that there is a platform when you come across, they are telling you this thing to remove your hand from bad thing. Opening on n'ala Igbo, ị na-akụ nsị, ị na-akụ mmadụ ibe gị nsị, wepụ aka onwe n'ofe before wa aka mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye ntụrụ mmadụ, if you are people where they go carry people, they butcher their parts for Igbo land, remove your hand. The calamity will fall upon you. The voice of those people will avenge what you have done to them. If you are the Igbo son, you know that you are putting your hand in any kind of bad thing, you know that this thing is not supposed. Remove your hand, though. This is not a Jeremiah Igbo. We are hardworking people. When we work and use our brain and do our calculation, God answer our prayers. So this extraordinary that come to Igbo land is never Igbo culture. It's better we remove our hand now before it become late. Our people in Owerri, be vigilant. Our people in Imo State, be vigilant. When you see all these kind of people or suspected people, please let the villages, let all the whole communities mobilize their youth to identify these people. Nobody know who will be the next. This is the truth. You don't know who will be the next. Forget how I speak, but I want you to be vigilant. When you want to enter keke bus, watch the people in that bus. If you know that it's people, when something happen you cannot handle, please do not enter. If your mind tell you don't enter this bus, do not enter. Allow the bus to go and wait for another one. You have seen what is going on now. Even the police are afraid of themselves. The military in Imo State are afraid of themselves. The security are afraid of themselves. So I don't know who will secure you. So if you claim when you are securing Ali Igbo, look at what is happening. Intervene. People are going every day. People are going every day in Imo State. This is not joke. It's happening because it ever happened. We have so many reports like this. It's happening every day. People are going. My people, now so you now say my carry and come show una. I beg share this video.